Hello, today I'm going to be demonstrating a reaction between lithium and water. Here I've got a little bit of lithium metal which I've pulled from the center of a Duracell lithium battery. And I mean, you can get it at any drugstore or anywhere that sells batteries. It's a little more expensive, but if you really need it, it's well worth it and a lot cheaper than any other method. Anyways, lithium reacts quite vigorously with the oxygen in the air to form lithium oxide, and so it's immersed in a mixture of oils. It's also kind of difficult to store. Usually you store it in petroleum jelly because it's the lightest of the alkali metals and doesn't want to be fully submersed in a material like mineral oil. So I've got kind of a mixture of WD-40 in there, and that's a little more viscous and lets the lithium sink a little further in. Anyways, here we go. This is the lithium, and like I said, it forms a lithium oxide layer and tarnishes rather quickly, so I've got to work fast when it's out of the oil. And so I'll take this pair of forceps here. It's actually quite easy to cut. It feels about like cutting cardboard. And so here I've got a nice chunk of lithium. You can see, other than the tarnish, the nice shiny lithium metal as I just freshly cut it. It's very lustrous, very shiny metal. Here, I'll put the rest of the lithium back in the container. And then lithium reacts with water to form an aqueous solution of lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Oops. Cap that off. And I'm not going to light it immediately, or it'd have an explosive mixture of hydrogen gas and oxygen in the beaker and it'd blow the stopper off. And so I'll give it a little bit. And then there we go. And that's the lithium reacting with the water. Again, lithium is the lightest and least reactive of the alkali metals. Below it is sodium, which will it has a reaction with water such that so much heat is produced that it ignites the hydrogen on its own. And there we go, looks like the reaction's done. And potassium will simply ignite when mixed with air. Then you have rubidium and cesium, which react even more, and then francium, which is practically theoretical in that it's never been observed to a great extent. It's so radioactive it only exists for a couple fractions of a second. But there you have it, lithium and water, forming the hydrogen gas in an aqueous solution of lithium hydroxide, which has now formed a kind of an alkali water here. And I'll be putting out more videos. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.